Let's learn how to upload 10-minute videos on TikTok. If you've ever wanted to upload a video to TikTok that lasts 10 minutes or less but more than a minute and didn't know how to do it, just watch this video and you won't have these problems anymore because I will show you a very simple way to do it. The first thing you need to do is open the TikTok app. Once TikTok is open, you will be on the home page, but you need to go to the plus sign. That plus sign is located in the middle of the screen at the bottom. When you click on that plus sign, a page will open where you can choose the length of the video you want to upload. The option for 10 minutes is found when you scroll to the right through these options. Once you've selected that option, you need to click on Upload. This button is located at the bottom, right next to the recording button. When you click on it, all the videos from your gallery will open. On that page with your videos, find the video you want to upload. Once you've found it, click on that video, and a page will open where you can add something to your video if you want. The next thing you need to do is click on Next. When you click on Next, a page will open where you can write a description for that video. Once you've done that, click on Post, and that's it, you have successfully uploaded your 10-minute video on TikTok. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video.